My name is Jean Niven, and I'm an attorney in practice with the Merlin Law Group. I've had the privilege of representing individuals and entities for the past 33 years. I'm licensed in New York, Florida, Texas, the state and federal courts, as well as the United States Supreme Court and the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. A subject that has come to my attention recently is agent negligence. What is agent negligence when we're talking about insurance policies? If you go to an insurance agent and advise them, I have property, here's where it's located, here's the amount of coverage I want, and that's what they provide you, and unfortunately that's not really what you needed, you don't have a cause of action for agent negligence. But if you go to the agent and explain, I need your recommendations for what types of coverage I need. Here's a lease, for example, on a commercial structure. What do I need to comply with the lease terms? Or I have property and it's located near the ocean. Do I need flood insurance? You're asking for recommendations. Then the agent takes on a different role. There are some agents that hold themselves out to have expertise in providing information to insureds so that the insureds can procure the right kind of policy. There are other agents that simply write what you ask them to do. Anytime you ask for an agent's recommendation, put that in writing so that if later on you find that's not what you have a basis for at least pursuing an agent negligence cause of action. For example, if you ask for $1 million worth of coverage and you really only have $100,000 worth of coverage, but you put it in writing, that's what you wanted, you at least have an opportunity to pursue it. And I use the term opportunity to pursue because every insured has an obligation to read their policy. If you don't understand the terms and conditions, you should contact your agent or contact an attorney to discuss it. But simply being provided an inaccurate policy does not absolve you. You may still have no coverage. At least, however, if you put in writing that here are the coverages I'm going to inquire about, I want and need your recommendations, you have an opportunity to pursue if you sustain a loss. If you have any questions regarding this subject, please feel free to call the Merlin Law Group. We'll be happy to go over your policy with you and explain what you have and what you don't have. Thank you.